Hi all, greeting from Seawater. Here I am going to show you how I did blazer kit for one of my customers. She needed a full black blazer kit, crop blazer with the pant. These are the little highlights I'll manage to save for you all to have a look. And it was quite challenging for me because I did after a long time. It came out really nice. I must say my customer was delighted when she was trying on the blazer. And this is the detailing, and this is the back of the blazer. Finishing was perfect. It came out really nice. Another view from another angle. It has lapel collar, of course, and sleeve also got two cuts. And this is the pant detailing. Pant was quite easy. It was very easy for me to do the pant. Yeah, and this is how it finished look. And this is the sampling stage I did with 100% cotton material. And I had to little bit alter on her armhole because it was a little tight on her. And that was it, and this is the final look of it, and I'm waiting for proper photos from her. Finally, for the sample, I did a little embroidery, hand embroidery around the collar. Now I am wearing for myself. Anyway, you can buy from my store this crop blazer if you like. You can get it done and comment below what you think of it. Thanks for watching. See you with another video. Bye.